Can you try to bring Edwin Cadet, jail number 2501532121?
Oh, okay. Let me write it down so we get the paperwork. What is the name again?
Edwin Cadet,
Okay.
2501532121.
And what county is it?
Broward, and there's a private attorney.
Okay. All right. Is anything else? Or is that good? Just the jail number? Okay. All right. Thank you. So I'm ready to start the regular calendar. Oh, it's a biggie today. So I guess we'll start with our out-of-turns for corrections, which are also rather voluminous. Let me guess. What are we looking at? 30-page calendar? My goodness. Wait, I gotta guess. 26. Only 27. Okay. All right. First case out of turn for corrections is Raymel Oliva Gonzalez, page 4.
13. Good morning, Rebecca. Corey, Assistant Public Defender.
Good morning. Happy September. All right.
Yeah.
Just give me a second. I gotta sign a few papers here.
Just in the,
Spanish interpreter, please.
right, also it looks like the alleged victim is here as well.
Sí, la víctima también está presente.
Okay, good morning. This is Mr. Oliva Gonzalez. Sir, you were arrested for burglary to an unoccupied dwelling, possession of cocaine, criminal mischief, tampering with physical evidence.
Señor, buenos días. Si hay una retención de migratorio, el señor Oliva González, a usted lo arrestaron por hurto de robo de vivienda o estructura no habitada y también con pruebas físicas.
I will appoint the public defender's office for you.
Le voy a nombrar abogado de oficio para que los represente. Y también le han puesto cargo por delito contra propiedad.
You told him about his immigration hold too?
Yes, I said that first.
Okay. I'm just reviewing the arrest affidavit.
Estoy revisando el affidavit de arresto, ¿está bien?
So there is probable cause for burglary to an unoccupied dwelling.
Hay motivo fundado por el robo de estructura.
There's also probable cause for possession of cocaine.
También hay motivo fundado por posesión de cocaína. Y también había un cargo de manipulación de pruebas.
I'm not sure what the tamper,
So
what's the
because there
tamper?
was cameras in the house and they disconnected them.
Okay.
Sí, no sé qué es lo que tenía que ver con esto de manipulación de las pruebas. La fiscal dice que esto era manipulando las cámaras dentro de la casa.
All right, sir, you are ordered to stay away from the victim's property at 1339 Flamingo Way in Miami Beach, Florida.
Señor, le han pedido que se aleje de la propiedad de la víctima en 1330 Flamingo Way en Miami Beach.
You're not allowed to go to that house. You must stay away from that property, sir. Do you understand?
Entiende, señor, que usted no puede ir a esa propiedad, no puede ir a esa casa y tiene que estar alejado de esa propiedad. ¿Entendido? ¿Sí o no?
Ahí, pero yo nunca he robado en mi vida.
I've never robbed. I've been there, but I've never robbed there in my
Well,
life ever.
breaking into somebody's house is a crime, sir, and you damaged their cameras as well and damaged a window.
Señor, entrando en la casa de alguien es un delito, eso es un delito, señor, y usted dañó las cámaras también y dañó una ventana.
Count 1, burglary to an unoccupied dwelling is a $7,500 bond. Count 2, possession of cocaine, $1,000.
Entonces, la primer cargo de hurto o robo de vivienda o estructura son $7,500. El otro cargo de posesión de drogas, $1,000. Posesión de cocaína, $1,000.
Count 3 is criminal mischief, $1,000 bond, and count 4 tampering with physical evidence is $2,500.
El tercer cargo que es delito contra propiedad son $1,000 de fianza
Bueno.
y el cuarto es manipulando las pruebas, son $2,500.
All right. Thank you. Next we have is
Gracias.
Wokadrine Morrow, page 5.
Ya, gracias, ya puede sentarse. Ir a sentarse.
Good morning, sir. You were arrested for possession with intent to sell cocaine. I will appoint the public defender's office for you.
So it's possession, maybe an attempt at tampering. States
What
request-
about the fact that he helped participate in the victim stealing the victim's scooter?
Judge, am I looking at the right one?
I don't
He's
know.
not accused of that, Judge?
I'm sorry, which
Writing it later.
Judge, I'm sorry, which case are we on?
Morrow, Wokadrine Morrow, page
That's with-
5.
Just the drugs, right?
He is. I'm not sure why he wasn't arrested for it. Victim says he saw a male wearing a white shirt on a scooter in the direction that the victim described. He positively identified him and said, yes, that's him.
They're saying he was somebody who was just present. They're not saying he was somebody who was involved in it.
Well, I thought he was also then writing it. Oh,
There-
okay.
That was once.
Oh, okay. It's just possession of cocaine.
Right, and maybe an attempt at tampering, but he came in.
All right.
Bench warrant, states requesting a bond.
It's not violent. What happened to his bench warrant? He's going there next?
I'd ask for tap, Judge.
That's fine. Tap alternate bond, $2,500. You have to come to court for your arraignment on October 2nd at 9 a.m. Courtroom 6-4, Judge Venzer. Have a good day.
Judge, are the courts open October 2nd?
I don't know.
Oh, that may be, I think.
Holiday right then. I think that might be a holiday.
It
Let's
is a
check. Is it Yom
holiday,
Kippur?
I think it may be.
It's Yom Kippur, I think. Let me see.
That's correct.
All right. Yeah, it's October 2nd's a holiday, so it's reset October 3rd. All right. Next we have is Altron Smith, page 6.
Judge, do we have a courtroom number for Judge Venzer?
I said 6, what did I say, 6-2? Let me see, 6-4.
6-4, thank you.
Thank you. Next is Altron Smith, page 6. It is Mr. Smith. Good morning. You were arrested for possession of a controlled substance called MDMA. I will appoint the public defender's office for you. Also, you're out on felony probation, F24 21308. There's a hold for you to see your judge tomorrow, and there is probable cause for the charge. Your bond is $2,500. Have a nice day. Next is Piero Nunez. We're on page.
Mr. Interpreter, please.
Interpreter's present.
Good morning, sir. You were arrested for aggravated stalking. I will appoint the public defender's office for you.
Señor, le han puesto un cargo por acoso con agravantes. Le voy a nombrar un abogado de oficio para que lo represente que está ahí a su lado.
There is probable cause for the charge.
Maybe
Hay motivo fundado por el cargo.
Of a stay away order.
What is it? Violation of a court order?
Yes.
What is
Right,
it?
'cause I don't know if it's
A
repeated.
misdemeanor.
Quebrantamiento de una orden judicial.
So there's probable cause for stalking or no, violation of a court order, sorry.
Or
Sí,
future
es esto una quebrantamiento de una orden judicial.
Sir, you are ordered to stay away from Sonia Flores, the alleged victim, no contact with her. Go ahead.
Señora, a usted le han puesto una orden de alejamiento de Sonia Flores, que es la supuesta víctima. No puede tener contacto con ella.
No contact with the victim either directly, indirectly, in person, in writing, by telephone, or through third parties.
No puede tener contacto con ella, con la víctima, directamente, indirectamente, en persona, por escrito, por teléfono o por tercera persona.
No contact with the victim through social media or other electronic means.
Tampoco puede tener contacto con la víctima por medios sociales o otros dispositivos electrónicos.
And you must stay at least 500 feet away from the victim, her home, school, and place of employment at all times.
Y también tiene que mantenerse por lo menos a 500 pies de la víctima, su casa, empleo, donde ella frecuente su trabajo, su escuela. A todo momento tiene que estar a 500 pies de ella. ¿Entendido?
Do not engage in any criminal activity. Do not use or possess illegal drugs.
Tampoco puede poseer, no puede participar en ninguna actividades delictivas, ni tampoco puede poseer drogas ilícitas.
And do not use, purchase, possess, or carry a firearm, gun, weapon, or ammunition.
Tampoco puede usar, comprar, poseer o portar arma de fuego, pistola o munición.
You must immediately surrender any firearms, ammunition, and any concealed weapons permits to the nearest police department and file a receipt with the court.
Tiene que entregar todas armas de fuego, munición, permiso de arma oculta y presentarla en la estación de policía más cercana y entregar recibo con los secretarios judiciales en el tribunal. ¿Entiende?
Do you understand the stay away order, sir?
Señor, ¿entiende la orden de alejamiento, sí o no?
Sí.
Yes.
Also, you have a hold for the misdemeanor judge for his open case, the open misdemeanor. What is it? Renee, I wrote on the paper. I gave it to you.
También tiene un caso abierto de delito menor que se va a presentar frente a un juez ahora.
It's a DUI.
Oh, it's a
DV case.
open DV case.
No,
Thank
Es
you.
un caso de violencia doméstica, de violencia
Right,
intrafamiliar.
M24 12572. Renee.
Es el caso M24 12572.
You're placing a hold on that case, Your Honor?
Yeah, he has a hold to see that judge.
Tiene una
Violator, stay away
restricción para presentarse frente a ese juez, ¿ok?
You'll see, he should see her tomorrow.
Mañana seguramente se va a presentar frente a la juez.
Next, we have Brian Dean,
What was
Ya
the
puede
bond
tomar
judge?
asiento.
$1,000 bond.
Las fianzas son $1,000, $1,000 de fianza, $1,000.
All right, next is Brian Dean. Is he there? I'm sorry, she there. He there, pardon me. Out of turn, page 13.
Well, that took a turn. This hearing session was one of those packed calendars where Judge Mindy Glazer's sharpness and stamina really stood out. From the first page, she showed her trademark efficiency, juggling Spanish interpretation, detailed bond calculations, and even some side drama with alleged victims in the courtroom. She handled every defendant with steady composure, moving between English and Spanish seamlessly, making sure no one left confused about charges or bond conditions. Her explanations were crisp but never curt, and she balanced compassion with stern warnings, especially in cases like burglary and aggravated stalking, where she laid out strict stay-away orders in crystal clear terms. It was a strong display of courtroom management and accessibility, even with 27 pages of cases ahead of her. The standout moments came early with Ramel Oliva Gonzalez's case. The defendant tried to insist he'd never robbed the home, but Judge Glazer wasn't swayed, explaining the damage to windows and cameras while calmly setting bond amounts that reflected the seriousness of the allegations. Her no-nonsense demeanor was softened by her clear communication style, particularly when addressing him in Spanish through the interpreter, ensuring he fully understood his situation. Later, she switched gears to Brian Dean's case, showing the same composure and precision even as the hearing veered into more procedural territory. The attorneys and clerks worked like a well-oiled machine in this session. The defense team stayed focused, often pushing for alternative bonds or clarifications, like when they asked about bench warrant statuses and whether arraignment dates conflicted with holidays. Glazer listened, adjusted dates where needed, such as moving an October 2nd arraignment to October 3rd for Yom Kippur, and kept the pace moving without sacrificing fairness. It's clear she expects preparation and professionalism from the attorneys, but she also gives them room to advocate effectively. The interpretation team was also critical here, and their presence kept the hearing inclusive for defendants like Piero Nunez, who faced aggravated stalking charges. The judge issued one of the most comprehensive stay-away orders you'll hear, specifying distances, communication restrictions, and even firearm surrender protocols, all relayed seamlessly in Spanish. Glazer's focus on detail in these orders showed both her care for the victim's safety and her insistence that defendants understand the seriousness of these boundaries. The overall vibe of this hearing was brisk, but fair. Despite the massive calendar, there was never a sense of chaos. Judge Glazer had moments of levity. Her quip about guessing the page count of the docket was a reminder that even in a busy courtroom, she maintains a personable touch. Yet, when defendants pushed back or expressed disbelief, she held her ground firmly, reminding everyone that the court's role is to ensure procedure, not litigate guilt at this stage. It's a delicate balance she strikes well, approachable yet authoritative. This was another session that showcased Judge Glazer's ability to make a high-volume docket feel organized and human, without compromising legal rigor. From major felony charges to probation violations and low-level bond adjustments, every case got the same measured attention. It's these hearings that highlight the often overlooked skill set of judges who have to be part traffic controller, part translator, and part teacher, all while keeping the wheels of justice turning smoothly. If you found this hearing insightful, consider subscribing, hitting the bell, and letting me know your thoughts in the comments below. I read every one.